Okay, well, we're gonna do, I guess some pistol runs. If I get headshot, I'm screwed. That's the look, I guess. 1 KIA. Survivor class. If I get headshot, I'm screwed. The L15 is like one of my favorite real-life pistols. L15 FS. Oh, it's like no idiot would ever run the heightened slide with the. Oh shit! You can run a. Damn. I didn't think I could put a fucking optic on this. What's it with an armor? That is really high, but there's no sight cut, so. Bags. Ain't got no ammo. Rouse 1863. Get like 200 of those. Tempting. No. Hell yeah. I don't think I look that good, but those glasses are kind of. It's like a hard carry with those glasses. It's passable with the glasses. Alright, what's that? Top. That's awesome. Trying to get into Labyrinth, but there's a bug right now with SPT. Waiting for some mod author, I don't know, to get it fixed, and then have a lot of fun there. Love the modding community for this game. It's great. Alright. Which map? Probably not customs, probably not factory. I could do reserve. 7 AM or 7 PM. 7 PM. We do above ground or underground? Probably underground. I don't have any marked room keys. Probably try to exfil at D2, which means fighting the raiders over at command. Lots of fun. I'm pretty sure those spawn every time. I don't think I've done a reserve run where those raiders don't spawn. Or I could exit at Hermetic. I don't like doing Hermetic because I gotta pass by the train yard. That's a lot of scavs, raiders, and bosses a lot of the time. I like to stay near Dome and Black Pawn, where the helicopter is. I love that spot. Sometimes snipe on Dome. Look over to what are those bunkers called? The bunkers in the big field, not the small field. Over where the BMP, BTR, whatever the fuck it is. That shit. I spawned. Oh, this is White King. Yeah. I like to snipe. Say Dome's there, I like sniping there. Yeah, stay in this area. Oh, turn that on. Alright. Any bosses? Yep. Stay the fuck away. I don't stand a chance. Oh, I'm playing it risky as hell. Turn up the volume. Yeah, I do. Let's take whatever. Hear footsteps. Whoa. Move, move, move. Right here. And there. Nope. That's a rifle. Nope. Marked room right here. Good loot. Oh, you fucking whore. How? How am I alive? That's how I'm alive. Jesus. Alright, how do I heal black limbs? guys are right here. I need a surgical kit. How the fuck am I gonna extract? I don't stand a chance. God. Just get on the roof, try to wipe them out, I guess. This is a bad position. What the fuck am I doing? Look for some surgical kits. Nope. That's a grenade case. Oh, that's a good gun. Oh yeah, if he hits anything, it's gonna hit my head. As I peek out again. Nope, not fucking with that. He should be pushing me or something. That's what I wouldn't do, but they're bots. This is all ammo and grenade spawns. Move. There's another guy out here. Alright, what exfils are available? I don't have paracord. So I'll fucking do that. I don't have paracord though. This is why I bring paracord. God, lesson learned again. Let's cut down on weight. I don't know where that was thrown. Down there. Alright, M14's pretty good. Let's... That's not an M1A. I guess it's an M1A. It's an M14, yeah. M14 EBR, I believe. That modern fucking super high-speed shit. The kind of gun that everyone loves, but I don't get the appeal of. Nah, I'm joking. Love the M14. 308 doesn't get old. Oh, this is a bad fucking move. I don't really know where any med spawns are on this map. Fuck. That's an IFAK. I got so excited though. You know what? We're going D2. Yep, they're in here. Fuck. You can run in this, bro. It'll suck, but you can fucking run in this. You can jog, at least. Nope. Did I go the wrong way? You can go fuck yourself with that shit. I love clearing rooms with an EBR. Hold up. I had a fucking feeling. From where? From where? Oh, I love the chatter. Thank you. I have so many grenades. Fuck this. Cat's still there. I wish I could read this language. I'm not familiar with that flare. That's a chem light, not a flare. I'm retarded, my bad. That's there normally. Oh, this is darker than I remember. Oh yeah, I don't know my graphic mods. Just let me get out of here, please. Wonder if anything rare spawned at the rare loot spawn. Or in that fucking jacket pocket where a while ago I got a Bitcoin. Good spot to exfil camp. Right here. I don't do that shit though. Alright, let's see. Something spawned here. Oh, it's a bag. I expected. No, it is always a bag. What am I saying? It's not a loose loot spawn. And then in that jacket, or one of those jackets, I got a Bitcoin one time. Kind of blew my mind. Especially because they're worth fucking 7 mil right now for some reason. I don't understand. Oh, we're almost there. Alright. Holy shit. Holy shit! I am so fucking lucky. Hold on. Boss, headshot with a PL-15. Gluhar. God damn. Headshot 25. Migolnik. Wait. Mogilnik. Migolnik, I'm thinking of Eaglenik, which is the ammo. Insanely good ammo. God, I got lucky. It fucked up my arms, though. I got so lucky. If I got hit in the head once, I'd be dead. But nah. Them dumbasses don't know how to aim for the head. Fuck, that was a good raid.